The black color, the MacBook Pro 40-inch 2024. The chip is M4. The RAM is 16 gigabyte and 512 gigabyte the storage. The battery capacity is 100% and 12 cycle count. Okay, and you can see the GPU 10 cores and the CPU also 10 cores. Okay, the black color. This condition is very good. You can see no scratches. The keyboard backlight also no problem. And let me show you the top cover. No problem. And let me show you the back. Okay, the back also no problem. And then let me show you the HDMI port. No problem. And this corner also no problem. The charging port no problem. And let me show you the display. I changed the wallpaper to gray color. Okay, now you can see the okay. No bright spots, no dark spots. Okay, no problem. No bright spots, no dark spots. Here also no problem. Okay, and let me show you another color, the red color. Also no problem. And let me show you the function, the camera function. Okay, you can see the camera. I got that match. Okay, the camera no problem. Okay, and I will upload this machine on my website, and you can check out this machine. Okay, the condition no problem.